Hello everyone, welcome back with Revit basic tutorials how to mirror a project. As example, I will use this sample structure project. And if you want to mirror this all walls projects, first you can go to level 1. And here I will click manage tabs and you can use these options, project location positions, you can click and you can use mirror project options. Next, for example, I will mirror in north to south. You can click and we're waiting for processing mirror these all projects. You can see in a status bar for processing tabs. And now you can see we successfully processing mirror all elements. You can click OK to apply. If you want to mirror again, you can click these icons and go to mirror projects. Next, like I will mirror into east to west. We're waiting again for processing. And then it will be successfully for mirroring these all projects. Okay, that's it, how to mirror a project in Revit. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.